Nature Moments with me, Gabe. We are at an osprey nest on the Grand River in Kitchener, Ontario. The osprey is doing this awesome call. We think there's probably chicks in the nest. I'm not sure if that calls the adult or the chicks. I assume it's probably an adult. Almost sounds a bit like a gull when it's calling. And it's funny because the adult is turning their head around, making this call. We're in a valley here, so as they turn their head, the osprey, the sound is way louder or quieter depending on where they're facing. It's really kind of bouncing around the valley. It's cool. Beautiful, amazing birds, the osprey. They're one of the few birds that is on every continent besides Antarctica. And there really aren't a ton of variations on them. They're kind of just this consistent, extremely effective fish-eating predatory bird.
Got those great big broad wings to catch the air. It doesn't really need to flap them very much. They're great at soaring. The wings are also very powerful. Getting down into the water to make a catch and getting out again.
Sure, it's Magnus.
Osprey, it's an osprey. Oh, cool.
Hey. Behind me in the tree right there, there's an adult osprey. It's got a fish that's slowly eating. It's caught up in its talons. This is like one of the best views I've ever had on one in my life. Yeah, we're pretty close to the Grand River, so it's possible I caught a big fish in there. This one's a good 18 inches long at least. You can really see like its talons. It's got a very firm grip on it. They have enormous, strong talons. Different birds of prey will have specialty in different parts of their body for dealing with their prey. Even though all of them have the same basic equipment, you'll see specializations in different parts of the body. So some have very, very large, strong beaks. Some have very strong legs, and they're for impact. They're gonna come down and they're gonna hit prey. Some have extra huge, strong feet and talons on their feet for subduing their prey, and particularly fishing birds like ospreys or bald eagles, you'll notice. Bald eagles also have a very big beak, but the osprey's beak isn't quite so big, but their feet are really big and really strong to hold on to slippery fish as they attack them in the water and then pull them out. The beak is sharp enough still. It's still sharp, but it's not huge because it's just needed afterwards for pulling their prey apart. Osprey are amazing. It's an absolute privilege to get to watch one. It's interesting to me that this one's vocalizing a lot. Males and female ospreys look very similar. Females are a bit bigger, but otherwise in appearance they're very similar. So I'm not sure what sex this one is, but it's very nervous. It's constantly stopping, looking around. It's not overly focused on its food. I'm wondering if it's focusing on looking out for other creatures like crows that might come and try to mob it to steal the fish, or another predator like a bald eagle, which actually would do the same. Bald eagles, as much as they are equipped for catching a fish, will gladly steal from other birds. Ospreys typically do their own work. So I like them a little bit better than bald eagles.
Thanks for joining me for another Nature Moment with Gabe. Remember to find wonder in there every day. And we'll tune in next time for more Nature Moments with me, Gabe.